Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo on Leonardo AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Models, Create, My Library and more. Tap on Create, then select Image Generation. Now under Image Generation, you can see there's a Type a Prompt option. Go ahead and type in the prompt. For example, I've written create a minimalist logo for Tech AI company and added a few descriptive details. You can add negative prompt or not, it's upon you. Once you do that, you can go ahead, adjust the settings as you like, then tap on generate from the bottom of your screen. Now it might take a couple seconds, then Leonardo AI will start generating a logo for you. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a logo on Leonardo AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.